Hey guys, if you found this video helpful then please don't forget to like and share it. Also, if you are still not subscribed to the channel then don't go without pressing the subscribe button. How to earn free Shiba INU coin in 2022 free SHIB coin mining websites. The year 2020 is, among other things, the year of meme cryptocurrency surge. The price of Dogecoin and its many imitators has grown many times over. The most successful Dogecoin emulator at the moment is Shiba INU, which is currently ranked 12th among cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. It's not surprising that many people would like to know how to mine Shiba INU coin. What is Shiba INU? Shiba INU is a decentralized ecosystem whose key element is the ERC20 standard SHIB token. The project started in August 2020, and its creator is a person or group of people under the pseudonym Ryoshi. The creators position the project as the Dogecoin killer. The community of the project's followers has more than 500,000 members but no leader, and its members call themselves the SHIB army. We'll tell you more about the Shiba INU ecosystem and the SHIB token in an upcoming article. Key points you need to know. Before proceeding with the description of how to mine Shiba INU token, we'll mention a few important points. The maximum possible number of tokens was issued immediately upon the project's launch. As such, creating new SHIB tokens and hence mining them in the usual sense of the term is impossible. However, there are ways to work around this limitation. The number of SHIB tokens in circulation is almost 2 times lower than their maximum number. The main reason for this is that, when the project was launched, the creators sent 50% of tokens to Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin. Vitalik, in turn, donated part of these tokens to charity and sent 90% of the remaining tokens to an inaccessible address, thus burning them. There are currently 2 main ways to obtain SHIB tokens besides purchasing them: staking and mining other coins with an automatic exchange for Shiba INU tokens. In this article, we'll focus on the second method. Mining Shiba INU coin. Since it's impossible to mine the Shiba INU coin itself, the most convenient and easiest way to get it through mining is to use the unminable mining pool. How to mine Shiba INU coin on PC. You need several things to start mining Shiba INU coin on your PC. A PC or laptop with 64-bit Windows. An internet connection. A Shiba INU wallet. Mining Shiba INU on Windows. The unminable pool has its own miner program, which includes miners for both GPUs and CPUs. To start using it, follow these steps. Go to unminable.com and click the download button on the main page. To download the zip archive with the app, click the green download button. If the mining files are removed or blocked by your antivirus program, you'll probably have to download the main version instead. In some browsers, file downloads may be blocked because miners are considered malware by default. Unzip the downloaded archive, open the resulting folder and launch the app. Before you do, you may need to add the app to the list of excluded files in your antivirus software. After starting the app, click the Continue button, select which hardware you want to use for mining, CPU or GPU, and then click the Next button. Please note that if you want to mine via GPU, you'll need at least 6 GB of VRAM for Ethash mining and 3 GB for Etchash or Kapow mining. Select Shiba INU from the drop-down list of cryptocurrencies, enter your Shiba INU wallet address and click Start. After you start mining, you can open the settings in the bottom right-hand corner and select the mining intensity. To check your statistics on Unminable, you need to enter your SHIB wallet address in the search box. How to mine Shiba INU coin on Android or iPhone. Since mobile mining apps are banned from both Google Play and Apple App Store, the app developers have no plans to create a mobile version of their app. For this reason, it's not possible to mine Shiba INU tokens on mobile devices. Is Shiba INU mining profitable? It really depends on many variables. When calculating mining profitability, the following should be considered. First and foremost, the price of electricity in your region. The price of your mining hardware. The current state of the crypto market and its fluctuations. How long you are going to hold the mined coins before selling. The current profitability of mining can be estimated using online calculators such as those on minerstat.com and whattomine.com. This will help you understand whether it makes sense to mine Shiba Inu in your particular case. Thanks for watching.